Our solar system is a place of wonders with 8 known planets orbiting the Sun, but some astronomers believe there's another hidden world, Planet X. The X stands for unknown, a placeholder for a world we haven't seen. Why search for it? Because its existence could reshape our understanding of the solar system. If a large, undiscovered planet exists, its gravity would subtly influence the orbits of distant objects. Finding it could solve lingering celestial mysteries. The idea of a hidden planet isn't new. Our view of the solar system has always evolved. We once thought Earth was the center. Then we found new planets, expanding our horizons. Each discovery has changed our perspective on our place in the universe. Planet X is the next frontier, a cosmic puzzle waiting to be solved. It's more than a hypothetical world, it's a scientific quest powered by curiosity and ingenuity. The search challenges our technology and pushes the boundaries of knowledge. It reminds us that great unknowns still exist, waiting in the silent, starlit expanse. The hunt for Planet X is a journey into the deepest corners of our solar neighborhood. It's a grand adventure, driven by our desire to explore. The possibility of Planet X keeps astronomers looking up, searching for answers. It's a testament to our relentless curiosity. The search for Planet X is about understanding the architecture of our solar system. It's a story of discovery, mystery, and the human spirit. As we peer into the darkness, we're reminded that the universe is full of surprises. Planet X could be the key to unlocking new secrets about our cosmic home. The journey has just begun, and the adventure continues. The idea of an unseen planet influencing others has deep roots in astronomy. In the 1800s, astronomers noticed Uranus wasn't following its predicted path. Mathematicians Urbain Le Verrier and John Couch Adams independently proposed an unknown planet was responsible and calculated where it should be. In 1846, astronomers pointed their telescopes to the predicted spot. There it was, Neptune, discovered through mathematics before it was ever seen. This was a triumph, proving that unseen worlds could be found by their gravitational effects. Neptune's discovery set a precedent. Anomalies in orbits could reveal hidden planets. The success inspired astronomers to wonder, could there be more unseen worlds? The solar system suddenly seemed larger and more mysterious. The hunt for hidden planets had truly begun. Neptune's discovery was, in essence, the first successful Planet X hunt. It showed that the universe still held secrets, waiting to be uncovered. The story of Neptune fueled imaginations and set the stage for future searches. The search for Planet X was born from this spirit of curiosity. Astronomers began to look beyond the known, seeking the unknown. The legacy of Neptune's discovery lives on in the search for Planet X. The universe is vast, and its mysteries are far from solved, and the quest for Planet X is far from over. After Neptune, astronomers wondered if it fully explained Uranus's odd orbit. Some suspected another even more distant planet, Planet X. The idea of a trans-Neptunian world captured imaginations, especially that of Percival Lowell. Lowell, a passionate astronomer, founded the Lowell Observatory to search for Planet X. He believed this unseen planet was large, perhaps like Uranus or Neptune. Lowell spent years calculating its possible position based on supposed orbital irregularities. He and his team photographed vast regions of the night sky, searching for a faint, moving speck. The work was painstaking and required immense patience. Lowell died in 1916 without finding his planet, but his efforts laid crucial groundwork. He inspired a generation and left behind a dedicated observatory. The search for Planet X continued, fueled by Lowell's legacy. His calculations, though later found to be based on incorrect data, focused the search. Lowell's conviction kept the dream alive. The hunt for a hidden world was far from over. His work showed the dedication required for such a monumental task. The idea of Planet X persisted, even as evidence shifted. Lowell's passion ignited curiosity in others. The search for a trans-Neptunian world became a scientific quest. Astronomers continued to scan the skies hoping for a breakthrough. The dream of finding Planet X endured. The groundwork was set for future discoveries. The hunt pressed on. The search for Planet X finally led to a discovery, though not as expected. In 1930, Clyde Tombaugh at Lowell Observatory continued the photographic survey. Using a blink comparator, he searched for a moving dot among thousands of stars. After months of work, Tombaugh found it, a faint point of light that shifted position. The world was named Pluto, suggested by 11-year-old Venetia Burney. Pluto was celebrated as the ninth planet, seen as the culmination of Lowell's quest. But as astronomers studied Pluto, they realized it was much smaller than expected. It couldn't account for the gravitational effects Lowell had predicted. The discrepancies in Uranus's and Neptune's orbits were later traced to inaccuracies in their calculated masses. Pluto, while a monumental discovery, wasn't the massive Planet X. The idea of a larger, more distant Planet X didn't disappear. It simply went dormant, waiting for new evidence. Pluto's discovery was a triumph of perseverance and technology, but the original puzzle remained unsolved. The search for Planet X was far from over. Astronomers kept looking, driven by curiosity and the lure of the unknown. The story of Planet X continued to evolve. The quest pressed on, deeper into the darkness. After Pluto, the idea of another large planet faded, until new clues emerged from the Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt is a vast ring of icy bodies beyond Neptune, with Pluto as one of its largest members. In the 2010 astronomers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown noticed something odd. Several distant Kuiper Belt objects, KBOs, had unusual, similarly tilted orbits. This alignment was highly improbable if random. It suggested an unseen influence, perhaps a massive hidden planet. Batygin and Brown proposed a new Planet X, possibly 10 times Earth's mass, orbiting far beyond Neptune. Computer simulations showed such a planet could sculpt the orbits of these KBOs. This evidence reignited the search for Planet X, now sometimes called Planet 9. Unlike Lowell's quest, this search was based on the collective behavior of many small bodies. The KBOs acted like breadcrumbs, pointing to a hidden world. The hypothesis was compelling, explaining several anomalies in the outer solar system. The hunt for Planet X was back on, with new tools and new hope. Astronomers worldwide joined the search, scanning the skies for clues. The evidence was stronger than ever. The mystery deepened. If Planet X exists, what might it be like? Models suggest it could be 5 to 10 times Earth's mass, a super-Earth or mini-Neptune. Its orbit would be vast and elongated, taking thousands of years to circle the Sun. Planet X would spend most of its time incredibly far from the Sun, in deep cold. Sunlight would be faint, and surface temperatures hundreds of degrees below freezing. It might have a thick atmosphere of hydrogen and helium, or be an exotic icy world. Its composition is a mystery, but its distance makes it extremely hard to spot. It would reflect little sunlight, appearing as a faint, slow-moving object. Finding it is like searching for a dark needle in a cosmic haystack. Yet the clues from the Kuiper Belt are compelling. They hint at a significant hidden player in our solar system's dance, a world unlike any we currently know. How do astronomers search for Planet X? It's a monumental task. Large-scale sky surveys use powerful telescopes to scan vast areas, taking repeated images. Computers analyze these images, looking for faint objects that move slightly over time. Modern observatories like Pan-STARRS and the Dark Energy Survey have expanded our reach. The upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory will survey the southern sky, offering new hope. Another method is to look for subtle gravitational effects on other solar system bodies. Spacecraft like Gaia provide precise measurements that might reveal tiny nudges. Citizen science also plays a role. Volunteers help scan images for moving objects. The sheer volume of data is immense, and human eyes can spot what algorithms miss. The search for Planet X is a global effort, combining technology, expertise, and curiosity. It's a challenge that unites astronomers worldwide. Every new survey brings us closer to an answer. The hunt continues, fueled by the possibility of discovery. The next breakthrough could be just around the corner. The search for Planet X highlights the wonders of our solar system. It's a dynamic, evolving place full of surprises. From Mercury's heat to Neptune's icy blue, each planet is unique. Beyond the planets, there are asteroid belts, comets, and dwarf planets like Pluto and Eris. The Kuiper Belt and the distant Oort cloud add to the mystery. Discovering a new planet would be a landmark moment, rewriting textbooks and sparking new questions. How did it form? What is it made of? Could it have moons or even hidden oceans? The thrill of discovery drives us to explore and learn. Our solar system is our home, and understanding it helps us know our place in the universe. The search for Planet X is part of humanity's grand adventure. It's about curiosity, exploration, and wonder. The universe always has more to reveal. Imagine the moment. Planet X is found. The world would celebrate a profound discovery, changing our map of the solar system. Astronomers would race to study this new distant neighbor. Its orbit and size and composition would offer vital clues about our solar system's history. Did it form in place, or was it ejected outward by giant planets? The discovery would inspire dreams of future exploration, perhaps even a robotic mission. Reaching Planet X would be a multi-generational challenge, but the rewards would be immense. Images and data from such a mission would reveal a world unlike any we've seen. Finding Planet X would remind us that the universe is full of surprises. It would inspire new generations of scientists and explorers. The discovery would mark not the end, but the beginning of a new chapter. Our understanding of the cosmos would deepen. The adventure would continue as we reach ever further into the unknown.